Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to part 3 of the series that I'm doing, where I'm taking a store from $0 to $100 a day, and that's exactly what I have done so far. Today, it's Sunday, 2 p.m., and we hit $100 in one day. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that right now. I'll put myself in the corner. Boom, here we go. Another sale from my store. So guys, as you guys can see, we did hit $100 within this store. We have 5 orders in total. I'm going to show you guys that, like, just to clarify. Some people might say, hey, look, you placed the order probably, just to show it to you guys. I did not place the freaking order. So this is the latest order that happened at 1:32 p.m. So someone bought 4 of these windshield snow covers, and as you can see, first session from Google. So they did not buy within the first day that they saw it. They probably got an email of the abandoned cart, and they came back to buy it. So two sessions over 3 days. So we'll go back and go to the previous order, the first order from today. It was for at 1:23 a.m. or 29, what was it? So as you guys see, this is for the necklace that I was selling as well. So first session from Google, as you guys can see, and 3 sessions over 2 days. In total, we had $257 in revenue within like 3 or 4 days, I'm guessing. And the total ad spend was $400 on Google. So which is almost about $150 and negative. That is fine because we're in a testing phase. In a testing mode, we're just trying to find, good product to sell, and that's gonna keep us profitable. I had to charge my laptop real quick, but besides that point, let's go ahead and go to so before, to show you guys my store, and like just to prove for people that I actually do know this and do this all the time. So some people might say, hey, are you actually qualified to talk about this? Like, have you even actually done sales? Yeah, I've done sales. So look, today, this is my today sales. $1,800, and today is already 2 p.m. and I'll go ahead and click last 30 days, apply. Boom, 125k within last 30 days. So I'm gonna blur this out because I don't want my store. And look at the conversion rate, 4%, which is pretty good. So 4% conversion rate is all. Let's go ahead and go to the Shopzilla campaigns here. I'm going to refresh this just in case. So today it says we have spent $8, and the cost per click is actually really low. I saw that it was 38 cents, which is, if it's like that, 38 cents, awesome. We could let it keep running despite being unprofitable as of total. So here we are on the Shopzilla Google AdWords account. As you guys can see, this necklace, I lowered the budget to $20 a day. I thought that $100 was a little bit too much, and the Google was taking advantage of my kindness. They were literally just spending my money like crazy, and giving me like cost per click of $1.50. And so I'll go ahead and lower it to $20 a day. And as you can see, the status is eligible learning, so it's still learning, trying to optimize. And the average cost per click is pretty awesome, 36 cents. This is really good sign that I can keep running this ad. As of right now, we have spent $8.70, and total cost is 36 cents per click, which is pretty good. On average, I usually, on my main store, I have clicks that goes from 80 cents up to $1.50. My Merchant Center account got suspended for some freaking stupid reason. I have no idea why. As you guys can see, it says Google Shopping is disconnected because your Merchant Center account has been suspended. I went ahead and emailed the Merchant Center account to see what's going on, and they still haven't replied to me. So I will keep you guys updated. I'm not sure why it's suspended. I guess I was selling a different, wrong product. I have no idea. So I did actually add a couple more products. I added heated vest. I'm not sure if you guys saw that product. It's really trending. And the one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I also added giant blanket hoodies to Google AdWords account for the Shopzilla. Reaction rate is almost 6%, which is pretty good. That means our ad copies are doing really good. If it's above, I would say 2 to 3%, more likely 3% above, that means your ad copy is really attractive and pretty good. That's so the problem is most likely not your ad copy if you're not getting sales, right? So the cost is $8.70 total. We do not have any conversions today. The reason is that because even though we have 2 purchases, those purchases came from they visited a while ago, right? They actually came to the store 2-3 days ago. They saw the ad 2-3 days ago, because I've been running this ad for I think 3 days or 4 days in total. So we're going to click from 10th to 16th. Here we are, from 10th to 16th of December. As you guys can see, we spent $203 total for the 111 necklace campaign, and $50 cost per conversion, which is really bad. But I'm giving more time to optimize it, so I lowered the budget from $100 to $20 a day to let it run and to let it optimize itself. So as you guys can see, results are not, we did not get a purchase yet, but the cost per click is really lowered, so that's a good thing. And I've tested heated vest, blanket sweatshirt, and windshield snow cover. For the windshield snow cover, we got 2 purchases, $52 each. Cost per conversion, which is so terrible because it costs, like, the product itself I'm selling is $17.99. I do not want that. So if I keep running this ad, it's most likely not going to be profitable at all. So I turned it off. And heated vest, same goes to heated vest. It is higher ticket product. So I'm going to lower the product cost per so for heated vest, I'm going to lower the budget from $100 to $30 a day and let it run in that budget. And so we're gonna spend about $30 a day, but we're gonna let it run for, I would say, 3 to 4 days to see if it actually optimizes and gets us purchases. I'm going to enable this. And for the blanket sweatshirt, I do not want to run this. I do not want to run any advertisement for this product as of right now, because the reason I'm saying is that my Merchant Center account got suspended. I've only had like 5 products and they already suspended my account. So I've emailed them to see what they say. I'm guessing, my guess is that the blanket sweatshirt product is that's a problem, because this product was featured in Shark Tank back in the day. I actually saw the video on YouTube maybe about a year or 2 years ago, but right now it's selling like crazy. I saw a video on Instagram that had like 3 million views just with this product. So this product sells, people like this product, but I'm guessing that I used their pictures maybe from their site. They might be copywriting me for that product. So I'm not going to run any ads as of right now. I've already spent $56, no purchases, nothing back. So I'm not going to run this product for now. As you can see, this is the campaign. This is the smart shopping campaign that I've set up from Shopzilla through Google app. If you guys want to learn how to do this, you have to go watch my first video where I show you guys how to do this. This is not running, obviously, because my Merchant Center account got suspended. So unless that's unless my Merchant Center account is approved, this is not gonna be running. But there's another way to do it. We can set up shopping campaigns, smart shopping campaigns individually for each product that we do. So not overall with all of the products. We could do that, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it individually in tomorrow's video. So stay tuned for that. That's a really good one. I'm going to set up shopping campaign for each specific products, for the necklace and the heated vest, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that step by step in tomorrow's video. And I think I've covered everything that I wanted to cover for this video. I have to set up my PayPal account because I think 50% of the payments went to that PayPal email for info Shopzilla. So I have to do that before anybody else does. And so since people know it, they can just make one. Oh, they can't because they don't know the login info. That's kind of stupid of me. Yo, hope you guys enjoyed this little sneak peek inside of my store and this current store that I'm running for you guys. So I'll go ahead and see you guys tomorrow with another video where I'll be showing you guys how to set up shopping campaign for each individual product. Since our Merchant Center account got suspended, we still want to run shopping campaigns to show our products, to showcase our products in the shopping columns of the Google. And take care. See you guys until the next one.